That's the bird I shot. Wingspan, a couple of feet, a couple of inches. I shot him over here. My dog wouldn't catch him. I shot him up here. On that post, you probably can't see it. It's a little line. So yeah. I shot a bird about a couple of inches. I'm looking under him. Head. His head. So, the beak. That's his beak. Pretty beak. I open his mouth now. Don't get scared once you see how wide he opens his mouth. Bird in the skies. I shot him right here, as you could see. And yeah, that's the inside of his mouth. That's my four-wheeler. And that's a bird up there. That little dot. So today we're going to talk about birds and shooting birds. So this is his claw. These are his claws. Sharp. They could cut to probably anything. This is how big he is. And that's the tree I shot other birds at. But the only bird I've never shot was like a blackbird, a robin, a duck, a snipe, and well, small birds that have stripes, a woodcock. So that right here is the video today. And yeah, I got him by his head. So see you later.